there was only 3 of these, so we got one a Easter egg-shaped thing. It was $1. It is made probably in China, I guess. I don't know. You see, yeah, made in China. Also, something I could probably use for a survival type thing. By the way, you see bullcrap? You want to see bullcrap? What's this? There's only 3 of them in here. At least there's my favorite one. And you could use this for a little survival thing, I guess. But you know. Also, I did just have a cookies cream chocolate milk from Shamrock Farms. I recommend because that tastes really good. Yeah. So, man. I don't think I did this. Like, oh, I had to delete it, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Anyway, at the beginning of the more kochanski kit, I decided to do this one because one, I mean, I could use it. Yeah. So I think it's 14, I guess, because of that. I don't know. So, plus, he says metal match, right? Well, this one has a metal match with it. Yeah, there you go. Then I'm also going to put this in. I can't think of the YouTuber, but he inspired me to put a thing in. What? This. Yeah. I've done this billions of times. This is literally one of the best things from Buckhay the Mission Box ever got. The SOA Scout. I think this is one shot, one kill brand. I have no idea. But yeah. Yeah, this is a short little video. Also, the only thing I'm getting this month that I'm buying is a small little blender thing so I can have more veggies and all that. Anyway, my Postbox Survival, episode of the Wasteland, and God bless.